jobs are changing. But the difference between this era and the internet era is that the internet era, there's a billion new jobs created out of kind of nothing. Whereas the intelligence era, a billion knowledge workers jobs are arguably going to be impacted first before new jobs are created. Does that worry you at all?
Totally. I think you touched on something really important there that both makes me a little bit less worried and more worried in some other way.
They told us AI would take decades to change the job market, but the first signs are already here, arriving faster than anyone expected. And the changes are not subtle, they're accelerating. This is Cienzo. Let's go deeper. Number 10, data entry clerks. You know those roles focused on taking information from one system and placing it into another? Invoices, receipts, customer forms, inventory updates? AI can already handle most of that. It reads PDFs, processes handwriting, organizes documents, extracts fields, and updates entire databases automatically. E-commerce tools, accounting platforms, and CRMs now use AI to sync orders, payments, and stock levels in real time, cutting the need for someone manually typing each step. This doesn't eliminate every position immediately, but it does mean one AI can do the work of several employees, making this one of the first jobs companies automate when budgets tighten. Moving on to number 9, call center agents. Modern AI voice systems no longer sound robotic. They answer questions, understand accents, access customer accounts, and resolve common issues without needing to forward calls. Many telecom companies and banks already use AI to handle password resets, payment confirmations, appointment scheduling, shipping updates, and product troubleshooting. Some systems even detect frustration in the caller's tone and adjust their response style automatically. Humans still handle complex or sensitive cases, but the day-to-day workload, the volume tasks, are shifting rapidly to AI. And once companies see that the AI doesn't sleep, doesn't get stressed, and handles thousands of calls at once, the business decision becomes obvious. Number 8, retail cashiers. Self-checkout machines used to be slow and unreliable. Now, AI vision systems can identify products instantly, even fresh produce without barcodes, and resolve pricing errors automatically. Major retailers are testing AI-assisted checkout lanes that recognize items as they're placed in a bag, verify age for restricted products, and prevent theft more accurately than human staff. Payment systems link directly with loyalty accounts, receipts, and refunds. Cashiers don't vanish overnight, but stores need fewer of them. And in high-traffic locations, one AI system can support multiple lanes at once, making this one of the most visible job shifts happening right now. Number 7, basic content writers. We're not talking about investigative journalism or deep storytelling, but the high-volume text production used in marketing, e-commerce, and support. AI now creates product descriptions, SEO articles, newsletters, ad copy, and social media posts in seconds. Companies like Google and Amazon already use automated systems to generate and update massive libraries of product information. AI checks tone, fixes grammar, adjusts for different audiences, and optimizes for search engines without needing a full writing team. Specialized human writers still have space, but generic text production, the bulk volume that once required entire teams, is now cheaper, faster, and more consistent through automation. Number 6, paralegal research assistants. AI can scan thousands of legal documents, extract case precedents, summarize depositions, compare contracts, and highlight conflicts in minutes. Tasks that once required hours of reading and cross-checking now happen through automated analysis. According to early studies from major law tech companies, AI can complete document review with accuracy comparable to junior paralegals, but significantly faster. It also keeps a perfect memory of previous cases and updates itself whenever laws change. Lawyers still make strategic decisions, but the research backbone, the part that used to consume most of a paralegal's time, is rapidly shifting toward AI-driven workflows.
Halfway through the list. Number 5. Warehouse pickers. Robotic arms guided by AI vision can now recognize items, grab them safely, sort them, and place them into shipping bins with surprising precision. This is happening in distribution centers globally. Companies like Amazon have been testing AI-controlled fulfillment robots for years, gradually reducing the need for human pickers in repetitive sections of the warehouse. These systems operate around the clock, don't get injured, and integrate perfectly with logistics software. Humans are still needed for oversight and irregular tasks, but the repetitive picking work, once done by large teams, is becoming heavily automated.
Number 4. Bank clerks and loan processors. AI can analyze income, spending patterns, credit behavior, and risk profiles faster than traditional review teams. Some banks already use AI to pre-approve loans, flag suspicious transactions, and validate documents automatically. Chat systems answer common customer questions, track payments, and schedule appointments. AI also detects fraud patterns by scanning millions of transactions a day, something humans could never do manually. Branches won't disappear completely, but the number of employees required has been dropping, and automation is the primary reason. Entering the top 3. Customer support analysts. AI now handles email tickets, technical troubleshooting, knowledge-based searches, and live chat across dozens of industries. Support platforms use machine learning to classify issues, generate responses, and escalate only the cases that truly require human expertise. Companies like Shopify and Microsoft rely on AI systems to automate thousands of daily support interactions. These tools learn from past resolutions, adapt to new product updates, and keep a consistent service standard that doesn't depend on the experience level of each employee. Humans remain essential for complex or emotional situations, but the bulk of routine support is already transitioning to automated workflows.
Number 2. Cybersecurity support roles. For years, security teams relied on junior analysts to monitor alerts, review logs, flag anomalies, and escalate suspicious activity. But AI now performs these tasks continuously, scanning millions of events per second, correlating patterns, and identifying threats long before a human would notice. Modern systems detect unusual login behavior, privilege abuse, malware signatures, and network anomalies automatically. Tools like Microsoft Defender, CrowdStrike, and even Google's SecAI Studio already generate incident reports, propose fixes, and in many cases, block attacks without human intervention. Junior analysts used to spend their days triaging false alarms. Now, AI filters 95% of that noise, surfacing only the rare cases that truly require human judgment. Senior security engineers still make the final call, but the entry-level roles, the classic first step into cybersecurity, are shrinking fast as automation becomes the default defense layer. Because one AI can now do the work of several beginners, and it never needs to stop to search how something works.
And finally, number 1.
Junior software developers. For a long time, coding was seen as one of the safe careers. But modern AI systems can already generate functions, fix bugs, document files, refactor code, and even build full prototypes from a single request. These tools read entire code bases, understand architecture, detect breaking points, and propose solutions faster than a junior developer could finish reviewing the task. Some platforms even write tests, scan for security issues, and update dependencies automatically. Large companies use these systems internally to speed up development, not to replace senior engineers, but to reduce the need for big teams of entry-level developers handling repetitive or boilerplate work. Early studies show AI completing many junior-level tasks at professional quality and in a fraction of the time. Senior engineers still design systems, make key decisions, and guide architecture. But the foundational tasks, first draft code, cleanup, documentation, small fixes, are shifting rapidly toward automation. Junior developers aren't disappearing overnight, but companies are hiring fewer of them because one AI can now do the work of several beginners, and it never needs to stop to search how something works.
And that's the list. The world of work is changing fast, faster than most people realize, and AI is already shaping entire industries behind the scenes. But understanding these shifts early gives you an advantage, whether you're building something new or preparing for what's coming next. If you want to stay one step ahead, subscribe, and let's see what comes next.